Welcome in São Paulo. We are at e-Ateliers, the art fair of São Paulo. And I am here next to a beautiful work by Marepe called Arte a Cozinha no Mundo, which means art, the kitchen in the world. The kitchen in the world, what does it evoke with this beautiful face? And all these materials that are used here in Brazil by people. This artist is Brazilian. All these materials that are used to create food and share food with others. And art is like food. We share it. We are giving something to other people. We are getting fed by art, and it has all different kinds of tastes within the world. And of course, it boils, so the mind boils with the art. We are in this very important gallery from São Paulo, Luisa Strina, and here I would like to present you a work by Tunga. It is called Milky Fallings, and Tunga is another Brazilian artist, very famous in the world, and working a lot with bells. And I've heard that there is a word here in Brazil that says that if milk falls over, it's not very important. Who cares? It has already fallen, so let it be. Don't think about it. Originally, this sculpture had some elements of grease that have disappeared, but have stained the pieces of this sculpture. And it is called a maquette because it's a model for a larger one that is completely different at the end, but it's also very, very interesting. And now, a last work that I really enjoyed a lot, not only this coffee table, but especially this work by FernandaGomes, another Brazilian artist, who's just taking found objects, most of the time wooden objects, and that she mixes with a little piece of like nails or metal pieces. This nail is rusty, as you can see, and she creates a complete new world with this box that she has built extra for this this piece of wood. It's just a piece of wood. It's a found piece of wood, and by putting it there with this nail, with this point, I would say, she brings to us, with this untitled piece, a very poetic image, abstraction, unperfected abstraction, but also natural abstraction, because it has not been meant to be an abstract piece by the carpenter who's been working with this wood, but it has appeared to the artist to be a piece that could be an artwork, and that is now an artwork. Beautiful one.